Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel for MDE tutorial, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. And today we are going to talk about the service health status, how you can check the cloud services from this Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. So this is a really important topic to check every day the health status. So let's get started with this video. So now I logged in here Microsoft 365 Defender, and let me scroll down and move it to the option that's called health. So under the health we have two options, service health and the message center. Let me click onto the service health and we'll see our services health status from this Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. So now you've seen it's open it into a new window, and it selected the service health. Now here all these are the cloud services which you are using in your organization, and you can check which is healthy and which service is running some issues. So here as all we know, this cloud services are managed by the Microsoft, and Microsoft is responsible to make it healthy or to make it available for all time. So you can check here the healthy or unhealthy status, or you will get the service health status. So now the Azure protection is a healthy, identity services is healthy, Defender for cloud apps is healthy, Microsoft Intune there is no issue, and the Power BI as well. But I can see the few of the advisory are mentioned here for Microsoft Exchange Online, Microsoft 365 Defender, Microsoft 365 Suite. So let's see what type of this advisory. Let's click here and see user may be unable to manage the meeting time in the Outlook on web if they are using the Japanese keyboard. So if you are using the Japanese keyboard, might you will be experiencing this issue in your organization. So this advisory always launched from the Microsoft side, and they have explained like why the issue is reported, and they will be fixing in the backend. If you need any update or what is the update from the Microsoft, so you can go here all the update and you can read it when the last update was happened and what they updated. But here they have not mentioned when the issue will be fixing. But if you need to notify when the issue got fixed, you can go here and can click manage notification for this issue. So here you can mention your the email ID and select like you can mention maximum 2 email ID if there is any change or the Microsoft update any status on this advisory, so you will get notified. So again and again, no need to log in your the Defender console to check this status. You just schedule the report and you will you will notify over the email. And here is another option, set up your email notification. So you can set up your the email notification for your service health. Now go here and just select it, the send the email notification about the service health. Again you have to enter maximum the 2 email ID by separation is the semicolon. So you can put your email ID here, and you will get notified if there is any issue related to the incidents, if there is any advisory launched from the Microsoft, or issue in your environment that required the action. So if you need to get a notification email, so you can select the service name from here, whichever services is relevant to your team. Like from the my team is relevant to the MS Defender and the Microsoft Cloud and Intune. So if there is any advisory or the incidents launched, then I will be notified over the email, so you can schedule the email. But here is a limit only for the 2 email address. So guys, you can schedule it. Now let's see what goes wrong in our the Microsoft 365 Defender. So here is a user may be delayed loading the submission and the content section in Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Let me click here. Yeah, okay. So now I clicked here, and it shows user may be delayed to loading the submission and the content section in the Microsoft Defender for Office 365. So this issue is related to only for Microsoft Defender for Office 365. It's not relevant to the MDE or the other product. So here you can see in the affected services Microsoft 365 Defender, because we are loading the submission from our Microsoft 365 portal. So that's why it's affected services Microsoft 365 Defender. Now here is the issues type. It's a advisory. So might be you will face the issue or might not be in your organization. And here is the issue origin, the Microsoft. So Microsoft has launched that issue. Again, here is a manage the notification. If you would like to get notified if there is any changes in your health status, so you will get notification of the email. So are you experiencing this issue? If you are experiencing this issue, you can click here and you can say yes and send and the close. So Microsoft will notify that your organization is experiencing this issue, so you can get them notified by selecting yes. Now here is user impact is the similar like the description, and here is the update from this Microsoft. So here whatever they are updating or they are giving the updates to the team, you can see it here, you can read it from here. Now so we are good with this part, and here is a one more issue is going on. User cloud data discovery, user cloud discovery data may be outdated since. So user cloud discovery data is not updated from this 29th of March, and here is the advisory details. The user impact, user cannot get the data after this 29th of March because there is some issues going on. And again here is the detail about the issue if you would like to read it. Now what else I can see here is a message services value. So it is the same listed here in the list. Suppose the my exchange online, so here is the exchange online. If you click, then it will open the same detail what I shows you from here. Now let me go to this another tab, that is the issue history. So these many issues was reported from 1st of March, and here is a filter out. You can check last 30 days, or you can just check it with the 7 days. So only the two options are there. If you would like to be filter something related to your services, so you can go from here, and suppose I am checking for the Microsoft 365 Defender, and here we have a details. So here I can see the service restore. So admin cannot release the some of the content email, and this advisory was launched, but now this issue is not exist because it's the status is the service restored. So Microsoft fixed this issue, and how long it was down. Initially it was started on the 14th February, and it was restored on the 9th of March. So this issue is already got fixed. And the similar way you can check the service restored, how long issue was there in and how much time it take to fix that issue. So here is a starting time and the end time if you would like to track that issue. Now here is this is shows like a post incident report published, and it not shows the service restore. That means is this issue is going on related to Microsoft 365 Defender. So this is the issue type is the incident, origin Microsoft, and download the post incident report. Let me go and the download here. Manage the notification for this report. So now let me open this document. And what I can see, let's see. Yeah, it's open. So now here is the your post incidents report for the Microsoft 365. So here you can get the more details from this Microsoft. Let me go back to again the console and see Is this the post helpful? So you can report yes, this is helpful or very good. You can give a feedback Microsoft. And what else we can do? Let me click again. So this is a post incident reported has been published. There is a incident reported and it's published. So it was started on the 29th March and it end on the 29th March only. But all these services were restored, and this is was like a incident came on 29th of March and it took a couple of hours to fix it. Like it came 12:30 p.m. and it was fixed the 10:45 p.m. Now, if you have any issues and you would like to report to the Microsoft, you can click here and can mention your the issue detail that directly will report it to the Microsoft. So is it causing a significant your the business? Yes. And then you can mention it here like the exchange online or the others. So you can mention your the service name. What is like suppose I would like to mention a Office 365 admin center, and here you can give the description. So Microsoft will get notified there is just something goes wrong in your organization, so you can just report an issue to the Microsoft. Now here is the reported issue. If suppose you have reported any of the issue, so you will get the list here and you will get the status as well, like the service name, category, significant impact, reported by, who reported, what is the state for that, username, and the report time, report when it was reported. And if you would like to report, again you have the button here, option here, you can report your issue as well. So guys, I hope so this information is very helpful for you, and you should keep monitoring your the health status daily basis and keep it in your daily health check, so that will make your infra healthy. Thank you guys, see you soon in my the next video.